Good morning, students. Today is 7th July 2020. Okay, and chapter number 4 was going on. So today is also chapter number 4. Name of the chapter is Factors and Multiples. And this is your page number 1 of today's class. And students, you know about that exercise 4 was going on. So exercise 4, there are the 6 questions in exercise 4. 4 questions has been finished. So today I will start from question number 5th. Okay, question number 5th. Look here, what is the question? In question number 5th, it has been given, find the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. इट मीन्स आपको एक नंबर ऐसा ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो 56 और 84 को एग्जैक्टली पूरा डिवाइड कर देता है. सो लुक हियर, हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट इट? सो लुक द सॉल्यूशन. So students, in this question same method you will applicable. It means you will also find out the HCF here. Okay, remember it. So there are the two methods to find out the HCF, factors method and prime factorization method. So which is easy you think, then you can applicable it. Here I am apply the prime factorization method. Okay, so here you will find out the prime factors of 56 is equal to, and then another number has been given 84. So prime factors of 84. So in the rough column you will also find out the prime factors. Rough. Okay, 56. You know about that 56 will be divisible by lowest prime number, that will be 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, then 2 7 ja, then 7 1 ja. So prime factors of 56, here we have find out it 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Clear? Then after that another number has been given 84. 84 we will also find out the prime factors of 84. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja, then 7 1 ja. So here we have find out the prime factors of 84 also, and it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, and 12 7 ja 84. Clear? Now students, here you can also find out the common factors. So common factors is equal to, you have seen here 1, it means 2, 1 times 2 has come, then another second time 2 has come, and another common factor is 7. So common factors are, that is, I will also write it, mark it here, 2 1 time, then another 2 1 time, then 7 1 time. Okay, this is not common. So here you will write it, common numbers 2 into 2 into 7. It means 2 2s are 4, 4 7 ja 28. Okay, so that is your HCF. So you will write therefore HCF is equal to 28, and this is also your answer. In the question it has been given, find the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. So here you will write answer 28 is the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly. Clear students? Any doubt? It means in such type of the questions you will find out the HCF. अगर greatest लिखा है then Okay, smallest लिखा है, so there will be the different method. I will tell it to you. Okay, when it will come. Okay, so in this type of the question you will find out the HCF and that will be also your answer. Clear, students? Now students, this is your page number 2. Now last question of exercise number 4, that is question number 6. Okay, in question number 6 it has been given find the greatest number that divides 28 and 49 without leaving a remainder. Okay, so students, it is also as like question number 6, question number 5th. In question number 5th it has been told to you about that exactly, it means find the greatest number that divides 56 and 84 exactly, and in this question it has been told to you about that find the greatest number that divides 28 and 49 without leaving a remainder. So same thing it will be applicable, so I will provide it to you in your homework. Okay, here you will also find out the HCF. Here you will also find out the HCF, highest common factor. Clear, students? So this is the last question of your exercise number 4 and I will also provide to you in your homework. Okay, now students, before starting exercise number 5, I want to tell you about the LCM. In exercise number 5, LCM will be start. So what is LCM? This is where exercise number 4 has been finished. So LCM, the full form of the LCM is lowest common multiple. That is related from the LCM. So you can write the point regarding LCM. The LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by the two numbers without leaving a remainder. Okay, that is the definition of LCM. Okay, so now students, I am starting exercise number 5 and this is your chapter number 4 also. Okay, chapter number 4 and now exercise number 5. Now students, question number 1. Question number 1 has been given, find the multiples, common multiples and the LCM. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, one more column is also needed here. First is numbers, then first 6 multiples, then common multiples and at last LCM. A question has been given and the numbers has been given 3 and 4. So students, first 6 multiples has been given in only A part So first 6 multiples of 3 has been given: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Then after that multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Here you will find out the कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. कॉमन मल्टीपल्स मीन्स ऐसे मल्टीपल्स जो यहाँ पर दोनों में ही हो, यानी 3 में भी वही हो और 4 में भी वही हो. सो आई हैव सीन here the common multiples are only 12. Okay, nothing else. Common multiples क्या है बेटा? Only 12 has been given here and nothing else. So this is the lowest common factor also, because only the single number has been given here. So 12 is your LCM also. Okay, that is the A part. Now B part has been given of question number 1. In B part the numbers has been given 6 and 9. Okay, so now first 6 multiples: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Okay, then you will write the multiples of 9 also: 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and 54. Okay, so here you will also find out the common multiples that has come in the 6 and 9 both numbers. So I have seen here the common multiples are 2 here: 18 and 36. Okay, so 18 and 36, there are the two common multiples are here, and you know about that the full form of the LCM is lowest common factor. In the previous exercise we have studied about the highest common factor, that was HCF, but in the LCM case that will be related from the lowest common factors. So lowest common multiples. So जो भी हमारा lowest common number होगा, lowest common multiple होगा, that is your answer. So here the lowest common multiple are 80 only. So 18 only. So 18 is your common multiples of lowest number. So that is your LCM, lowest common multiples. Okay, clear students? If you have any doubt, then you can ask the query. This is your students page number 2. Oh sorry, this is your page number 3 of today's class, not 2. Okay, now there are the 4 options has been given, 4 part has been given in question number 1. A and B has been solved. Now look the C and D part. C part. Same headings as like previous page. Numbers. First 6 multiples. Then after that common multiples, then LCM. So C part has been given here. Numbers are 4 and 8. Okay, so first 6 common multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. And in 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. So I have seen here the common multiples are here 8, then 16, then 24. 8, 16 and 24. So which is the lowest common multiples here? 8. So that is your answer. This is the LCM. So here I have in the question it has been given, find the multiples, common multiples and LCM. So first answer is multiples, then second common multiples, and third answer is LCM. Clear students? Now D part. D part I will also solve. Look here, or I will also provide to you in your homework. Okay, one question I will also provide to you in your homework. 3 and 6. I am giving it to you in your homework. Okay, so that will be solved by you in your homework. Clear students? Any doubt? Now students, question number 2. In question number 2 it has been given, find the LCM on the number line. Okay, and the numbers has been given in A part of question number 2 and 5. Okay, so look here, how can we find out the LCM on the basis of the number line method. So first we will take first number 2. Okay, and after that we will draw the number line. This is the number line. Okay students, so from 0 I will start. Okay, and till 20 it has been given in the question. So 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, now same relates from the another number, that is 5. So 5, then again we will draw the number line here. Same, I will start from 0, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So here students, firstly we will circle the multiples of 2 in the first number line, and then after that the multiples of 5 in the second number line. So multiples of 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and at last 20. Then after that multiples of 5, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, it means in the first number line there are the multiples of 2, and in the second number line there are the multiples of 5. So now I will find out the common multiples. So you will write here common multiples here. What are the common multiples? You can easily check it. 10, you can see it. 2, 4, 6, 8 is not here. It is not the multiple of 5. Okay, I have circled the common multiples of 5 also. So 5 is the first multiple of 5, another is 10. So I have seen here 10 is also in multiples of 2. So first common multiple is 10. Then another number you can see it, 15 is not here, and 12, 14, 16 is not in that second number line. Then after that I have seen 20. Okay, so common multiples here 10 and 20. So in the question it has been told to you about that find the LCM on the number line. The full form of the LCM is lowest common multiple. So what is the lowest common multiple here? I have seen here the lowest common multiple is 10. So therefore LCM is equal to 10. Okay students, this is so simple question, so easy question. Okay, so I think you each and everyone have understand it. Okay, so after that B part of this question number 2 I will also provide to you in your homework. Okay, B part. Okay, number has been given 3 and 4. I will provide to you in your homework. So it means you will solve it. Okay, clear students? Any doubt?